What's up, guys? It's Marissa from Krietz Customs. I have my newest best friend, Michael, here standing beside me. We're getting ready to see his Krietz Customs Tacoma. Are you excited?
Very excited. Very, very excited.
Awesome. So we are getting ready to see it. Are you ready? I'm going to count down from 50.
50?
Just kidding. I'll count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. You're going to turn around this way.
Oh my God. Wow, she looks totally different.
It really does.
It completely looks a lot different. I am super happy.
Alrighty, so what we did to Michael's Tacoma, we added a 3-inch Bilstein lift. We also added some fuel JM2s and Cepek tires. If you want to build your truck like this, make sure you shoot us a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs. Have any questions about fitment or anything else, we'll be happy to help you.